all of the people that we met in UST teach us in a good way or in a bad way that made us a better person.
So, sobrang bilis nung mga pangyayari. Like nung una, parang chill-chill lang. Tapos nung pang thesis na, parang hagardo na.
Let it go. Let it roll right off your shoulder, don't you know? The hardest part is over, let it in. Let your clarity define you in the end.
Sobrang saya, nakakilabot kasi may miss mo yung mga taong nakasama mo.
Remember how it feels. Our lives are made in these small hours. These little wonders, these twists and turns of fate. Time falls away, but these small hours still remain.
Fulfilling. Excited na hindi, parang bittersweet siya.
Oo, sobrang saya. Feeling ko ang malas-malas nung batch namin kasi unang-una, second sem na kami welcome home.
Let your troubles fall behind you, let it shine till you feel it all around you. And I don't mind if it's me you need.
Marami pala kaming paghihirapan na dadaanan. Tapos ngayon napalabas na kami, tapos na kami, masaya kami lalo.
Yay! Masaya tayo!
Medyo malungkot pero masaya kasi tapos na yung mga paghihirap.
Small hours, these little wonders, these twists and turns of fate, yeah, these twists and turns of fate. Time falls away, yeah, but these small hours, these small hours still remain. Oh, they still
Ano, mas masaya ngayon kasi ito talaga finally nag-graduate na talaga ako, mag-march na ako sa June. Sa wakas!